Today we're making the perfect cozy fall dinner, apple cider pork chops. Now let's get started. You're going to need granulated garlic, granulated onion, black pepper, and salt. This is what you're going to use to season the pork chops. The pork chops were patted dry with a paper towel to remove any excess liquid. Be sure to season both sides. And don't be fooled. While the seasonings are very simple, this dish packs a lot of flavor. Next, heat a little oil in a large skillet over high heat. Once the pan is hot, add the pork chops. You're going to sear them for about 3 minutes per side until they're golden brown. This step locks in the flavor. Now once that side has browned, you want to flip it halfway through and allow the other side to brown as well. And this is exactly what we're looking for. We don't necessarily want to cook the pork chops all the way through because it will cook later on in the sauce. Remove the pork chops from the pan and set aside. To the pot, add sliced onion, thyme, rosemary, and sliced garlic. You want to cook this for about maybe 2 to 3 minutes, and as it cooks, it will release all of those bits from the pan, and all of that is flavor. Once the onions have softened and begin to look slightly caramelized, it's time to add the apple cider. And this apple cider is basically pressed apple juice, not to be confused with apple cider vinegar. You're also going to add in Dijon mustard and chicken bouillon powder. Give this a good stir to make sure that everything blends well into the sauce. Let the sauce simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes until it reduces and slightly thickens. And as always, if you are interested in making this recipe, I will have it linked below in the description box. Now once the sauce has thickened, return the pork chops to the pan, and you're going to spoon the glaze over the pork chops. You want to make sure you get all of that sauce on top of the pork chops. Then you're going to cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes, just until it's fully coated and tender. You don't want to overcook the pork chops. And that's it. Apple cider pork chops. It is so juicy, flavorful, and perfect for fall. If you've enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments what's your favorite fall dish. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.